We are dividing our own home. Sometimes I look at the world and ask myself, how did we become so good at dividing ourselves? We draw borders and call them countries. We create labels and call them identities. We choose sides and forget that the person on the other side is also a human. We have enough knowledge to change lives, enough resources to help millions, enough food to feed people, enough love inside us to make someone feel seen. But instead of sharing, we often ask, what can I get? Don't use that question. Use this one. What can I give? Yeah, because your success doesn't have to mean someone else's failure. Your knowledge doesn't become smaller when you teach it. Your opportunity doesn't lose its value when you give someone a chance. Your food doesn't become less meaningful when you share it. And your love doesn't become weaker when you give it freely. Imagine if every person gave something. Not everything, just something. One meal, one lesson, one opportunity, one helping hand, one word of encouragement, one act of kindness. Maybe that is how we began to heal this divided world. Not by waiting for everyone else to change, but by becoming the person who chooses love over hatred, unity over division, and generosity over selfishness. We don't need to become the same. We need to learn how to live together despite our differences. Because this planet is our shared home, and humanity is one family. Let's stop asking what separates us. Let's start asking what we can share. Let's build a world where love has no conditions and peace has no borders.